This is a genuine leather crossbody purse from Befen. I was sent to review, so let's take a closer look because it is gorgeous. How fun is this tassel? Just a gorgeous bag, front and back. Going inside, you've got your detachable strap, which is adjustable with a buckle here. It's just gonna clip on to the sides. I love all the silver detailing, just gorgeous on the black bag, which is a textured genuine leather. This is the black. It also comes in burgundy red, dark brown, light blue, and navy blue. We've got this gorgeous tassel here, not removable, FYI. It's just hanging here. This is not a zipper, but there is a snap compartment right above that. Boom, really nice and big, so it'll fit your phone. Like so, you could snap it in, quick to get in and out. It's a magnetic snap, so really easy. Then you've got this zippered compartment on the front. Again, nice and big. Great for your phone. It's gonna fit a max size phone as well. You've got your main compartment in here. This will fit an iPad mini, the 8.3 inch. You've also got a zippered compartment here on the inside. Nice and deep, great for keys, wallet, etc. And then there's a pocket on this side that is open, it doesn't close. So you've got the 3 sections inside, and then on the back, another phone-friendly pocket here. For a small bag, it has a great number of compartments. You could just fit a ton in here without it being super bulky. It's gorgeous, it's practical. This is the longest length. I'm 5'8", that's how it hits me. Then to adjust it, just pull it through. There are 5 holes for adjusting, though you could puncture a new one if you want to make it even shorter. Then there's another loop down here to hold that from flopping around. Perfect. This is the shortest version, great for over the shoulder, great for crossbody. Really gorgeous. This is it with the tablet in. It's still so nice and thin. I love it. Great for daily use, running errands, travel, you name it. It's adjustable. I love it, and I know you will too.